people!
And welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Welcome, people. We're actually filming again on the phone because hold this way. Hold on, real quick. I did have the phone right there. Hold on. Because our G7X, it's still in order, but this bit right here.
Where you screw the
selfie stick on. It's just not happening.
No.
So I'm thinking we should buy maybe another G7X, which is a very good camera.
Yes.
But at the same time, we had our eyes on the Sony A6400.
Yeah, we watched a few YouTube videos. They did like versus Canon G7X versus the Sony. And
pros and cons, but a lot of the pros went towards the Sony.
Right.
You know, so we'll see, but we'll be getting a new camera soon.
Very soon.
We still got our other Canon, but it is a heavy camera.
Heavy.
You know, so it's not so much easy to vlog with.
No.
So let me get this off you. And because we stopped vlogging with phones for so long, it's also a struggle because we have to remind ourselves to look at the camera and not at the...
So even though it looks like we're looking at you, we're not actually looking at the screen, we're looking right there.
Right. And when we're actually looking at ourselves, it's like we're ignoring you. So because we want to be engaging with you guys, we have to keep looking at the camera.
Yeah, so if you see our eyes divert, then...
Right. It's just old habit.
We're just trying to get used to it,
Right. So, on my channel, I did uploaded the whole snow thing that was going on.
Yes, so check that out.
Check that out on my channel, but I'll still put some of the footage here right now. This is actually a bench. Well, it's supposed to be a bench. Now, this is pretty. So that's pretty much what, that was 2-3 days ago?
Yeah, and that's what's going on in Switzerland.
That was 2-3 days ago. So
I just want it to go.
We're going to take you guys outside now so you can see the leftover, you know, what's there. It's not dissolved. It was about 30 inches, I would say.
Yeah.
And from what I'm looking at, well, we'll go out there and then we'll discuss it. So without any further ado,
let's go outside.
Let's go outside, people. And we are out here.
So as you can see, it's still quite a good amount of snow.
Yeah, let's put you up in the air so you guys can see. Still a good amount of snow on the ground. In the video that I put on my channel, I featured that table right there because that about 30 inches on it. So I used it as a good measure. Almost got you cut out just now. Still getting used to this phone filming. All right, so today's video is not really about the snow. Today's video is really about cooking.
Yes, we're gonna do some good recipes. Well, we're just gonna do one today, which is chimichangas.
Okay, chimichangas. No, we're doing two.
Are we doing two?
No, not two recipes. We're doing the chimichangas and we're gonna make duck sauce.
Oh yes.
Yes. I keep looking at ourselves. Forgive us.
Yes.
We're gonna do duck sauce and chimichangas. So we are actually gonna hurry up and go in the car because it's cold. So we're gonna take you guys to the supermarket real quick, grab some ingredients for our
chimichangas and duck sauce.
Duck sauce. So let's go. part here is not so bad. This part is easy, but to handle these parts where it's turning into ice, this is the dangerous part.
Internet under this garage.
So, yeah, we are good. And this is our shopping haul. So, we spent 55 francs.
55!
And this is what we got for 55 francs. So, for most of you guys that's living in other countries that's wondering how affordable or expensive Switzerland is, this is 55 francs. So, Wife for Life will tell you what we have. It's a mixture of things we need for today's menu and some other things that we just wanted.
Yeah.
So
these are fries because hubby's going to do a recipe at some point.
Yes.
And we're going to have fries with it, some fried chicken, huh?
Right.
And these are for the chimichangas, the tortilla wraps.
Okay.
And we've got 6 in each pack, so we've got 12. So that's a lot of chimichangas each, but hey. Yeah. So I usually do make my own chimichangas. I usually make my own tortilla wraps, but I have a hand injury, so it's a lot of rolling out, and I'm not doing that. We've got some eggs. That's for something else, yeah. So. Anyway.
Oh, the eggs is also for my recipe.
Oh yeah, for hubby's recipe.
Yeah.
And some cheddar cheese. That's for the chimichangas. Some mayonnaise, that's just for salad sauce that I always make myself, like seafood sauce. Cucumber, because salad with the chimichangas. And some lettuce, cherry tomatoes, also for the salad. Now these chicken drumsticks, we bought 2 packets.
That's for my recipe.
That's for hubby's recipe. And 2 chicken fillets. Now, as you can see, it's 10% off. It's not a lot, but they're actually quite cheap, these ones. They're about 5 francs per packet, 5.50 per packet.
Let's say cheap to Swiss standards.
Yes.
Because
Swiss standards.
I saw a video on YouTube where the woman paid like $7.25 in America, and she had about 25 drumsticks.
Oh.
You know?
Gotta move to America. So yes, got two packets of those. Oil, because we're gonna do a lot of frying. The chimichangas need to be immersed in oil.
Yeah.
And apricot jam. That says apricosa. Apricosa is Swiss German. It's German. It's German for apricot.
And that's for the duck sauce.
Duck sauce, yes.
Right.
Some sweet corn. That's going to go in the salad. I love sweet corn in my salad. Some oat flakes, because we've got some...
Well, I like my oat flakes.
Yeah.
You know.
Hubby likes his oat flakes in the mornings. And we've got some Irish moss for all of those who know what Irish moss is. There you go.
This is our Irish moss. So what we've been doing with this Irish moss, we've been soaking it overnight.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to blend it up and turn it into a cream paste. And like anything that I'm drinking health-wise, I just kind of mixed it in. You know, so let it soak some more. That's about 24 hours.
Yeah. And you can also mix it in with the oat flakes as well. So
Yeah.
some vinegar.
Yeah.
That's also going to go in the duck sauce. Some maize flour, cornstarch. Can't remember what that's for. Oh, that's for your chicken.
That's for my chicken.
And some cotton buds.
Some cotton buds.
So as we're on a budget for this recipe, we didn't go out of much.
Where we had a budget?
Yes, we did have a budget.
I didn't have a budget.
No, you says how much would it come up to, and I says, oh, about 50, 60 francs. So, and you were like, okay, I did have extras on the list, but I bit my tongue.
I wasn't on a budget. I wasn't on a budget. I was on a strict shopping list. You know what I mean? I was like, get the ingredients for what we want and nothing more. You know, she tends to go off track.
Excuse me.
You know, listen, we're doing duck sauce, chimichanga, and my recipe. So we should only be doing shopping for 3 different menus.
So where does the oats come in?
The oats come in because we were doing the Irish moss.
We.
She just says we
everything here is for.
Then you just pluralize the purpose of the Irish moss.
Everything here is for the chimichangas and the fried chicken recipe that hubby's gonna make.
And I needed some air swab.
And I didn't get anything else.
And one thing we left, we forgot.
Batteries.
We forgot some AA batteries because our clock on the wall has stopped. So we need some batteries for that. So without any further ado, let's get to what we're doing first. Duck sauce or chimichanga?
Duck sauce.
Duck sauce. So let's get to the duck sauce first. Okay, so now that we're ready to make the duck sauce, this is what Wife for Life is working with.
So we need water, some white sugar and brown sugar, lemon juice and salt, some vinegar and apricot jam and mustard. And hubby loves his pepper. They're not very hot, so I can stand the heat of those, and I mash them up myself.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've got the pot ready.
All right.
Gonna put some heat under it.
Okay, people. So, Wife for Life has done her magic.
I succeeded.
It's just like... I don't want to pour it out. Hold on. Let me tilt the camera instead.
Yeah.
I'm moving the Is it showing? Yeah, it's showing. That's how quick and easy it is done.
Taste it.
I'm about to give a taste test. You know, I say the Wife for Life that in Philadelphia, everybody in Philadelphia knows what duck sauce is.
I've had sweet and sour sauce. What's duck sauce?
See my hand just now?
Yeah.
That's my hand just now.
Does it taste?
Look, this is the anxious. Look at the anxious.
Does it bring you back a little memory of Philly?
This is definitely duck sauce. Nah,
I deserve a kiss for that. Yeah, thank you.
She did her thing. She did her thing. She did her thing. Nice.
Yeah. I like it.
Duck sauce, people. So now the duck sauce is done. What else we're gonna do? Before we do anything else, let me blend up my Irish moss.
Irish mush.
My Irish moss. And then, so we're gonna put this to the side real quick. And we're gonna blend up the Irish moss so you guys can see, because it's not a part of today's dinner, but it's a quick thing.
He's hungry now, so he's gonna make it for his oats.
Alright people, so I'm up. You know, 5 minutes ago was Wife for Life. Plus, this is nothing. This is easy. I'm gonna tune you on into my fried chicken, my deep fried chicken. That's what we bought all that stuff for earlier. I'm gonna do a deep fried chicken one of these days.
So we got the blender, the Irish moss.
Irish moss here. I got the Irish moss here. You want to feature the Irish moss? Yeah, let's do it like a proper food channel. So, the Irish moss is here.
It actually looks like, you know, like I'm trying to think what it looks like.
It looks like seaweed.
Yeah.
But that's what Irish moss is. You know, so
white seaweed.
I'm gonna pour the water that's already in there in my blender to see if I have enough water in there. I've got a little Irish moss here on the ground. That fell out my plate, but in Jamaica we say waste not, want not. So I'm gonna blend it with what's in there already.
Okay, you're not gonna add any more?
I probably do. I just want to see the result. Okay. You know, so 1, 2, 3 people, pulsing time. Okay, I think that's blended pretty well. I'm kind of happy that I didn't put any more water in it because let me get a spoon. It looks like it's blended out. It's nice and thick. You want to have a peep inside?
Why not?
So there it is.
Oh yes.
You know, so what's gonna happen now? It's still a bit grainy, so I'm gonna give it another whip around. See, it's still a bit grainy. Remember, this is very casual. This is not for your food channel.
That?
This is not for your food channel. This is very casual.
Try the turbo.
We're about to put it on turbo. Is there a difference?
Right.
Put it on turbo, so let's put it on turbo. Oh. Ooh, look at it, it looks different when you put it on turbo.
So.
Alright. Look,
That
it's
looks
a
better.
total different look.
Looks like puree.
Yeah, Wife for Life said I should put it on turbo, so that's what I did.
That was my input.
Okay, so for disclaimer purpose, for disclaimer purpose,
Yes.
when I was a child, they didn't used to blend it. They used to cook it, boil it, and strain it. And all the substance from it is what we would consume.
Okay.
Irish moss goes with linseed, like Aki goes with saltfish in Jamaica. So this is a new age method I'm doing.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it out into something, sit it in the fridge, and then let it thicken up.
Yeah.
And every time I want to have a taste of it with something, I mix it.
Okay.
I don't know how long it can last, but I would give it no more than a week. So, yeah, this is just going to be out of commission for a minute. So, got here a white bowl, and let's hope it just slides right out. Oh, it does. Okay, but it's really thick, so let's get a long spoon. What is this? Is it a spoon?
It's a salad spoon.
Oh, a salad tosser.
Yeah.
Okay. So, got some goodies up in there. Don't want to really waste it. So, I'm going to try to get everything out of it. Maybe this is where I should put a little water.
Yeah.
Just not to waste any of it. So, I'm going to put a little bit of water.
Swish it.
That's my laziness right there. Alright. Swish it around. Yeah.
Get all the goodies out.
Yeah. And, you know, I just said waste not, want not, right? So. Okay.
That's that little bit there that fell on the counter.
Okay.
So, all that in.
Right. And then, got a little stir. Okay, so Wine for Life is gonna taste Irish moss for the first time. It's not sweetened or anything.
I don't remember if I had it as a child.
Must have. Mom and Dad must have given it. It doesn't have any taste at the moment. Yes. What's your verdict?
Do without.
No, it's not sweetened or anything yet.
no,
When it's sweetened.
It actually tastes like corn.
Alright, but you'll see when we mix it in something. Alright, so that's me done. I'm putting this in the fridge. Oh.
The fridge is blocked up.
Okay, so got some salad.
Oh yeah, that can
Coleslaw.
go. Or not.
Oh, no, it's better. Alright, I'm done. So now it's your turn. But let me get my things out of the way.
Yep.
So
Just tidy up.
So now my Irish moss is done. We're about to get on to the chimichanga.
Yes, we are.
The real deal.
So what we're going to have with our chimichangas is just some basic salad. And the duck sauce, of course.
Okay. We're going to use the footage of the chimichanga for our food channel.
Yes.
So instead of doing 2 different footage, we'll just share that footage, parts of it in this channel, and then point our subscribers to the food channel. Anyway.
I'm almost at 600 on that channel, so give over, guys, if you haven't already.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
We don't tell our subscribers or viewers to subscribe enough, you know. But I guess we don't really want to force that on people. In a way, we would love subscribers, but we want people to like what they see and then choose to subscribe.
Exactly.
You know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get on with the chimichanga because I'm starving, and this.
It's almost finished the coleslaw. That was part of the chimichanga salad.
Is it?
Was it?
Oh, was it? Okay. Okay, people. Chimichanga. people, so this is Wife for Life Chimichanga done.
Chicken chimichangas.
Right. And they're looking good, golden brown, as I think they should. And we're gonna have that with
salad. Let me get it.
Let's get the salad.
So this is the salad
Hold on, there's a fly here. Hold on.
Where did this fly come from? As cold as it is,
hold on there.
he decided to invade our kitchen.
Right, let me see.
Yeah! Oh, it's not in the salad, is it?
No.
Make sure you find it.
Oh, there he is.
Okay.
He's dead. Okay,
So-
nothing to the side. Now I gotta wash my hands. Hold on. Alright.
I'll be the hero. We kill the fly.
Kill the fly. In the middle of winter. What is the fly doing
I
here?
know. Where did he come from?
Okay, so salad,
Salad.
chimichanga, oops.
Salad, chimichanga.
And let's not forget
The sauce. Duck sauce, of
duck
course.
sauce, of course. We got
Yeah.
1.5 bottle of duck sauce.
That rhymed. Duck sauce, of course.
I am exhausted.
Me too.
And I didn't do the cooking, but I was doing the filming. And, you know, normally we film and we edit the same day.
Right.
Today's going to be a little different.
You're not going to edit today?
No.
Okay. We're just
I'm
going to
really,
eat.
yeah, I'm really exhausted today. Because there's a lot of cameras in play.
Yeah.
I'm using the
phone camera.
the phone camera, which is an iPhone
11 Pro.
11 Pro.
And we're using the
G7X.
G7X and there's
Canon
Canon 80D.
There's a lot of there's a lot of footage in different places. So I really don't want to hurt my head doing that.
No.
However, we enjoy doing our videos.
Yes, we do.
And we enjoy doing our videos for you guys as well.
Enjoy entertaining you. I
Yes.
hope they are entertaining enough for you.
I hope they're inspiring, you know. So I hope, like the chimichanga, for example,
Yes.
you see it, check it out on Wife for Life's food channel, get all the details, and mimic it, you know. Let me know. I'm talking like I'm on my channel. Let us know
How they turned
how
out.
they turned out.
Or
And,
if you've actually had them before.
that you've made.
Yeah.
You know, let us know how that is. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna eat at the end of this video. We're just gonna leave you with some pictures of our plates.
Exactly.
All right, people. As we
So,
always
people.
say before we sign out.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.